So welcome back, guys. We are really lucky today. We have access to the 911 Carrera Turbo S, really exclusive one we have here. It is really exclusive one because it has a really special paints. It has a really deep color. We really have that multi-layer paint, which makes it really deep, and it has also a price. It costs about 10,000 euros extra if you want to have that special paint on your Carrera Turbo S. So you can see it's really really sports one, really aggressive, a lot of aerodynamical stuff making it really aggressive. We have that huge spoiler which you can make it pop out more or less as you want. We have that huge diffuser at the back with the really nice exhaust tips here. It's really awesome. It's just awesome. And you have also the rear lights as usual on the Panamera, making it just amazing. You have also that black rooftop here, all made of sunglass, which make it really light and really cool to drive. About the wheels, we have at the rear and the front 20 inches wheel. We have special wheels here, like Porsche did. We have only we don't have any more balls. We have only just one center locks, like in race cars. So it's really nice. So here at the front you can easily recognize the 911, which here we have really that aggressive look, black front lights, black here, black parts here, front lips here in black, which making it just more aggressive. So we are lucky we have the key. We can have a look at the inside of the car. Oh, that smell! It smells just like it is brand new. It's just amazing. Just gotta make me some space because I'm pretty big, so I need some space here to sit in the Carrera Turbo S. So let's put the key here. We can't start it, but we can at least put the contacts on. So here we are in the Turbo S, as it is written here. Really nice car, really huge, just amazing. So let's have a look at the inside. You can recognize it's a Porsche. You can see the steering wheel is like we have seen it in the other Porsches. Clusters here as usual with the rear preamp here in the middle, like Porsche always do. We have here drive mode settings: Sport, Sport Plus, Individual or Normal. We have a nice screen here when you can have a lot of controls about your car, about other stuff like media, map, camera, home, phone, sources. You can choose if you have an USB stick or something like that. You can choose it. Climate control with a heated and cooled seats. It's really nice one we have here. We have all leather dashboard here. We have the chronometer and the clock here in the middle. It's really cool one we have. We have also carbon parts here on the door, on the dashboard, and in the middle we have also nice finition where you can control here the sunroof we have here, which is not that small but pretty nice, really cool to have. And we can also here in the middle choose the comfort we want to have with the suspension, with the hard or soft traction control. We can also use this button to control the front lip we have seen, and the spoiler there, where we can control and adjust it to make it just as we want. And if we put ignition, here we have, so we can see a lot of settings: map, navigation, trip, tire pressure, and you can see here how the four-wheel drive is activated, if it's more from the back or for the front. Chronometer, G-force. You can see how much G-force you have when you accelerate or when you brake. Have a look at performance, your tempo, pressure of the turbo, oil pressure, etc. So a lot of settings you can use, and you have here the button just to control the back spoiler. I don't know how you can control it, so I will push it. You will maybe see it from in here. If I push it, you will see the front lip that can adjust. You can raise it or lower it as you want, as you wanna race on a racetrack. So it's really awesome car we have here.